Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a VW Touareg headlight. First, open your hood and find the two retaining pins on top of the headlight. These pins secure the assembly. Gently pull each pin straight up and out. Once both pins are removed, you can carefully slide the entire headlight assembly forward about 2 to 3 inches. This initial movement creates space for the next steps. Now that the headlight is slightly out, it's time to disconnect the various connections. Locate the main electrical connector at the back of the unit. Press the release tab firmly and pull the connector straight off. If your Touareg has headlight washers, you will also need to detach the washer fluid hose. Gently pull this hose from its nozzle. Make sure all connections are completely free before proceeding. With all connections detached, you can now carefully pull the entire headlight assembly completely out of its housing. Take your time to avoid scratching the paint or damaging any components. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the headlight itself for any cracks or damage, particularly around the mounting points. Also, check the vehicle's headlight bay for any dirt, debris, or corrosion that might need cleaning. When you are ready to reinstall, reverse the steps. First, reconnect the washer hose if applicable, and then the main electrical connector. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its housing, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting slots. Finally, push the two retaining pins back down firmly until they click into place. This ensures the headlight is securely fastened and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.